So today's right, we will be sharing on our alerts features. So it's an introduction to our new share investor alerts. So it's a very interesting features that I believe that this one will help all of us when we're doing tradings or doing any setting for the alert. So today's I'm actually have my colleagues here, Chiva. So Chiva will be sharing more information about that. All right. So let me pass to Chiva.
Hello everyone. Can everyone hear me clearly? If yes, just let me know in the chat. Okay. Okay, nice. For today, we're gonna share about the alert features. So my name is Jiwa. So I'm a marketing executive at Investor Platforms. So a little bit of disclaimer is that the thing that I share is not necessarily reflect on those opinion in Alpha Invest, and also it is for information purposes only. So let me share about what is Shareinvestor.com. So Shareinvestor.com is a essential investment tool for all the investors and also for all the traders. So there's a few key features that in our platform. The first one is fact sheet. So basically it is a list of company which have a complete analysis about price analysis, consensus estimation, insider trade. The second one is portfolio and watch list. So basically you can customize your own portfolio and also your watch list based on your personal preferences so that it is easier for you to track all the informations that you want to track. The third one is technical chart. So basically our platform contain technical chart so that you can see all the live price and also full technical indicator, and also market analysis tools which has consists of stock price, consensus estimation, insider trades. So how do we access to the new Shareinvestor platform is that if you log into www.shareinvestor.com, you will see there's a classic mode, and you switch it off and you will go into the new Shareinvestor platform, or you can visit to newshareinvestor.com. So now I'm going to talk about what is the feature alerts. So in Shareinvestor, the alert feature is allow our customer to customize notification based on their specific criteria such as news update and also stock movements. So this function able to help investor to stay informed by sending a real-time alert regarding to their stock hit targets and also some breaking news about the markets. So how we able to access the alert feature is that when you go into the new Shareinvestor platforms, there's a little bell buttons at top right. So you just click on it and you're able to access the alert features. So let me show you in here. So as you guys see, there's a bell which is indicate alerts buttons. So when you press into it, so there's alert settings and also alert histories. So if you want to add a new alert, we can press on this plus green icons and you press on it. So there's two different alerts we can create. The first one is counter alerts. So basically, counter alert is based on the stock that we want to track about, and the news alert is about basically based on the news that we want to track. So for example, if today I want to track about the recent stocks, which is CapitaLand. So CapitaLand, the code is C9I. Sorry. Okay, let's say we want to track about the stock Microsoft. So we just click on it, and also we click Microsoft. So we're able to choose how much price alert we want to have. So basically, if let's say for today the price of Microsoft is that it is 427. So if based on our consensus estimation is the main target is around 497. So let's say if I want to take the profit, if I buy today at 427 and I want to take a profit at around 10%, which is 460 dollars. So we can create an alert, which means that, so we press the plus button and also we search it. So for this one is the price down. So we put greater than. So if let's say if the price is greater than 460, and also it will alert us that the price is more than 460, and it will alert us so that we can make a better whether we want to close it or we want to wait it get even higher. So there are three different delivery options. The first one is applications and email and also SMS. So if we want to have email, so we just click the email button, and also if we want to have the SMS, we just click it. If we don't want the email button, we just click it off, and yeah. So the next one is the repeat button. So if we want to repeat it once or daily, we can just click it. So if all of those information is completely filled, and just click the add alert buttons. So it will be on the alert, which is if the price is over 460, it will be alerting us at the alert history. So the next one will be news alert. So let's say that today I have a portfolio. So my portfolio will be like this, right? So I have two stock with me. The first one is Tesla, and also the second one will be Microsoft. So if we click this one and we click a plus button, and there's a news, so we can click triggered by our portfolio or our watch list. So if we choose my portfolio, so basically every news regarding to our portfolio will be triggered, and also we can triggered by keywords such as if I want to trigger by such as for example increase. So if we're able to, if there's stock regarding to increase, something like increase, so it will alert us. And okay, so let's take an example such as DBS. So for example, this is some of the news. So for example, if I want to have some information about the DBS, so I click on the add button, news alert. So I click on keywords, so I can click DBS. So if anything related to DBS, it will show on our alert sector. So there's a few different news of sources we can choose. The first one is Shareinvestor Express, Trading Center, SGX Next, Bursa Link, and also Business Time. So we just click whichever sources we want. For example, so this is all the sources that I want. So if we want all the news regarding the DBS appear in our alert, so it will be appear in here. So same as the previous one, we can choose either application with alert, email or SMS. So if I want application and email only, so we can click these two. So we add alert. Oh, sorry. So yeah, we can choose either the words appear in the search, news headline, and also news body. So any alert that appear will be appear at here. So yeah, we're able to track back, and also we're able to edit if we want to change anything. So for example, right, so if I want to change this thing, just press the a little pencil here, and I can just change it. For example, if I don't want to receive news from email. So I just and click it and I save the edit. So if we want to stop the alert, we can just press this one to deactivate it so that it won't be able to tell if there's any news regarding to it. And also we can delete it from here. Just press this button and it will able to delete it. So all of our history will be appear in here. And if we feel that it is too messy, and we can clear it by pressing this button. So um, so so going back to the previous slide. So we will translate all the users in 26th of October 2024 from the old platform to the new platform. So if you wish to go into the old platform, you can search for classic.shareinvestor.com. So is there any questions?
Okay, so if let's say you have any questions regarding the alerts or regarding any features that you want to know more, right? So definitely going forward every week, Wednesday, we'll be continue this session as well to share with you as much as possible. So let's say if you have any questions, feel free to let us know. All right, so hold on, I saw there's one questions. Can I ask a question not concerning alerts? Yes, please, you can actually type over here. Then we will see, do we have enough time to share with this? Uh, how many alerts we can set? So right now we actually don't have a limit on this, so we can actually set, but you don't set too much lah, all right? Can we get price alert? Yes, you can actually have that also. We have price alert actually. So just now there is a anonymous attendee that's asking, can I ask any questions not really concerning alerts? Yeah, please. Okay, actually let us know. Or what you can do is if let's say you have any questions, right, you can always reach out to our helpline or email us. We will actually share with you. And also, maybe let me also share on this. Hold on, let me open up my Shareinvestor website. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, all right. So let me change manager. Okay, so this one is our shareinvestor.com. All right, so I believe that some of you might have other questions. So there are a few ways you can learn more our platform. So first of all, there is icon over here on the bottom right hand side. You can actually click on here. So when you click on here, this one is our support area. You can actually browse fact sheet, stock price, stock comparison, consensus estimate, all these informations. Okay, regarding IPO or our phone number and when you're able to call us, or you can actually email us as well. Right? Let's say for example you have any questions regarding fact sheet or stock price, you can just click, it will bring you to our blog, okay, for FAQ. So we actually build up this blog. Okay, so this is our Shareinvestor blog. So for this blog, right, is I would say is not is a blog that actually have a lot of more information. For example, features article, welcome to new Shareinvestors. We actually have more information in over here, and also we have different kind of article as well. Like for example, today we just post about UUE. This one is a Malaysia company. Tesla, the budget 2025 for Malaysia, and you can actually see more as well. So what are the events that we have? So for tonight, we actually have our members night for Malaysia, and tomorrow will be Singapore side. So feel free to come and join us for this, and also all the previous videos that we have that we run for this Wednesday, we all upload here. You can actually watch over here as well, and also what are the new features or fakes or any updates on our platforms is actually under what news. Okay, so you can actually click on FAQ over here, stock price, consensus estimate, insider trades over here. Okay, so over here you can actually click on different tabs. So actually learn more on this, how to search what is significant shareholders, how to search for significant shareholders, and etc. So we actually have it line by line to guide you on that fact sheet, how to use news, financials. Okay, you can actually look into more information on this part. Okay, so let's say if you go through all this FAQ already and still are not able to, you have a questions that is not explained here, you can contact us directly. Okay, so this is the articles that we write, UUE, Tesla, then index fund versus stocks, are you comparing apple, dividends, and etc. Okay, so these are some of the information and articles that we have. Okay, so we will keep on update on the articles and write more lah, to actually share with the information with you. Okay. Uh, Let me see, is there any other questions? Okay, so definitely you have some questions on this. So let's say the share price is 10. How do I measure the percentage if price fall to 9 or price increase? So this one, right, you can actually calculate that based on that part. But definitely we'll be adding more features to our alert system. All right. So with today's the time, we will be continue on this. Then do let us know if let's say you have any questions, you can actually call us or email us, then we will happy to help on this part. And going forward, we will have more discussion and also more sharing on different features. Okay, so let me stop share first. Okay, so there's one question: could system show any revenue contribution percentage in the respective segment of a stock? That is John for this feedback. I think this one is a very good feedback. We will actually put insight to our tech team to discuss how are we able to showcase on this. I believe you are mentioned on the portfolio features. Okay, so I think today is a short sessions on this. So please remember on the 26th of October, so we will be transition to the new design of Shareinvestor, and the old Shareinvestor design that you are seeing right now will be under classic.shareinvestor.com. All right. So if let's say you encounter any issue, feel free to contact us through email or through call us or WhatsApp, then we actually will help you through that part. Okay. Um, that's all for today. Okay, that's all for today. So we will see you on next week. All right. So there's a link my colleagues put in. Do view all other educational video by visiting the link. So the link is actually will go to the blog.shareinvestor.com. So under over there will be a lot of educational videos, articles as well. All right. So we will see you next week. All right. Thank you and bye bye.